Hi everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for the 30 Days of Sketches with Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. That is the sketch we're going to be using, and I'm also combining this with a paper issue challenge. Don't forget you can use my code Daisy20 for 20% off your next purchase in the paper issue shop. So this is a pretty simple design. It's just a grid layout. So I started with this picture, and this picture is actually about 3.5 by 3.5 size. So it's a little bit bigger than the other squares I'm using. But I am using the Amy Tangerine Hustle and Heart 6x6 paper pad, which is still available in the paper issue shop if you are looking for a super fun and bright colored paper pad. I highly recommend this one. It has a lot of fun things in it, and then it has some of the quirky stuff that kind of Amy Tangerine is known for, like a sheet full of tigers, and then there's, you know, a couple other patterns that I don't know that I think are super cool, but I have no idea how I would actually use it, but yeah, they're super fun. So I picked 3 6x6 pieces of paper here. This blue floral one, which I absolutely adore, with the red kind of flowers on it. And then I chose one to kind of coordinate with that, which is the red and pink stripes. And then another one that is black and white kind of type print. So I'm leaving pretty much the blue floral pieces kind of on their own because I just think they're really pretty. And then I'm going to add clusters on top of the kind of red and pink stripes. And the sketch did call for 3 photos, but I couldn't find 3 photos that I could cut down to the right size to kind of add to this layout, so I'm kind of ignoring that. Instead, I'm going to do 3 kind of embellishment clusters. So I'm using my T-square ruler here and trying to line them up. That is the one thing about grid layouts, is either you have to make them like purposely wonky or you have to make them line up nicely, because otherwise it just, like, your eye goes immediately to that. So, and it's not perfect, but it's as close as I can get. So now again, with the kind of times we're in, I did pre-plan this layout just so that the filming was shorter, just in case I had to, you know, do something with the children. But in each cluster, I'm including one of the Ellie Studio tags that came in the Paper Issues February kit. And then I also have some little cut-aparts that came from the 6x6 paper pad. And then these floral clusters, which came from the Amy Tangerine, her new collection, which is Picnic in the Park, I think. Some little die cuts, the florals and some little die cuts. So there's that little bird. And I'm just showing you, I cut out some little cameras out of another 6x6 sheet, and then showing you kind of the packaging of what I'm using. But I pulled out a little bird, a strawberry, and that black and white camera out of the Amy Tangerine Picnic in the Park die cut pack, as well as the florals. And then all of the little word pieces that you see, those are from a cut apart sheet from the Hustle and Heart paper pad. I'm adding some hearts from the Ellie Studio die cut pieces. And then I'm going to add my title, and this is one of the Dear Lizzie. I don't think these are available in the shop anymore. This is my last one, so I'm finally using it up. And it fits perfectly for the Big Ass Title Challenge. It's a big ass title. So I'm just adding to it with this little cut apart that says these are the days. And then I'm going to pull out some more of these Ellie Studio hearts. They are the perfect color to go with this. That is something that I do enjoy immensely about Ellie Studio, is the colors that they use do seem to integrate well into other collections. So just popping these up on Fun Phone, I'm going to stick them down. So yeah, if you haven't already, please head on over to Christy's channel and check out what she created today. It's super fun, and she's trying to use up some of her die cut, or her cut files. And then also check out everybody else who's playing along. So I believe it's Shannon, Crystal, Moira, and Jennifer over on Instagram. There's also other people who are playing along. And if you use, if you decide to play along and use the hashtag 30DSCBL5, then we are able to see what you create and you know, give you a little love on that. So definitely use the hashtag if you are playing along with us so that we can check it out. Now to finish this off, I decided to add some sequins, and so I'm adding just some royal blue ones, and I'm going to add them to each of the little clusters, and that's pretty much going to be it. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and if you aren't already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you again next time. I hope you're staying healthy and safe and enjoying some time with your family. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!